that are still going on. But for the BJP, it's the end of a 27-year wait. With a landslide mandate, they are now in power in the national capital, while Kejriwal's Sheesh Mahal now stands demolished as the Aam Aadmi of Delhi rejected the Aam Aadmi Party's Malik mindset. The poll results have been a reminder for all the poll parties that people are not just silent observers, but the real masters in a democracy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also launched a scathing attack on the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal, accusing the Aam Aadmi Party of misleading the voters and failing to deliver on their promises. He also called out Kejriwal's Malik mindset, slamming the drama, arrogance and anarchy unleashed by Apada. The Prime Minister said that Delhi has voted for Vikas and development and rejected Kejriwal's politics of excuses.
आज दिल्ली की जनता ने साफ कर दिया है, दिल्ली की असली मालिक सिर्फ और सिर्फ दिल्ली की जनता है। दिल्ली ने देखा है पहले का जमाना गवर्नेंस ये नौटंकी का मंच नहीं है। दिल्ली के लोगों ने आपदा को बाहर कर दिया। आज दिल्ली में विकास, विजन और विश्वास की जीत हुई है। आज आडंबर, अराजकता, अहंकार और दिल्ली पर छाई आपदा की हार हुई।
भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
Now, that was what was said by the Prime Minister. Remember, Kejriwal and his top commanders, including his right-hand man Manish Sisodia, close aide Saurabh Bharadwaj, Somnath Bharti and heavyweights like Satyendra Jain lost in the Delhi elections, with only Atishi securing a victory. Atishi has now resigned as the Delhi Chief Minister, while Kejriwal is holding a meeting with the close aides at his residence. There's a feeling of dejection in the Aam Aadmi Party camp. The doors are shut at the Aam Aadmi Party office. The compound is completely empty as eerie silence reigns. Times Now gets you a look inside.
After crushing defeat during Delhi Assembly election, an eerie silence has descended on Aam Aadmi Party office, an area that was bustling with activity till yesterday morning. Today wears deserted look. There's a complete silence here, a complete sonata here at Aam Aadmi Party office. It will not be wrong if I compare the situation of Aam Aadmi Party with this torn out hoarding outside their office, battered, worn out. Reason is obvious, because except for Atishi, not a single top leader was able to win this election. The first one to lose was convener, founder member and former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. He was defeated by giant killer Parvesh Verma. Manish Sisodia lost to Tarvinder Singh Marwa. Except Atishi, no other leader was able to win this election. Saurabh Bharadwaj lost to Shikhar Rai. That narrates the whole story. That narrates the story that how this election was a referendum against Kejriwal's policy. This was a rejection of Arvind Kejriwal and its politics of deceit and deception. Everybody voted for Narendra Modi's guarantee because they knew that whatever promises are made by Narendra Modi, those promises are fulfilled. BJP's victory after 27 years, breaking that drought period, because for 27 years they had been out of power. It was a long wait, and that long wait is over. So, at the end of the day, every politician has to understand they have to work for the people if they want to stay in power. Pradeep Datta with Parshuram for Times Now.
So, Sabyasachi, the Aam Aadmi Party office wears a completely deserted look. Pradeep Datta giving us a look at no workers being spotted there. There are no Aam Aadmi Party leaders there. But there is a meeting that's underway at Kejriwal's residence. Who is in attendance? Who has missed the meeting? And what's happening there?
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters in the national capital wears a deserted look. Now, for our viewers, the meeting started at around 1 p.m. The meeting went up to 1:40 p.m. at the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, where leaders like Gopal Rai, Sanjay Singh, Sandeep Pathak and Durgesh Pathak, these four leaders were present at the residence of Arvind Kejriwal. They, in fact, have spoken with him about the current situation. Now, leaders who were missing from this meeting was former Chief Minister Atishi as well as Saurabh Bharadwaj. These and Manish Sisodia. These are the three top leaders who were in fact missing from this particular meeting that was taking place at the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Now the Aam Aadmi Party currently is introspecting about the loss they have suffered here in the national capital, and the main focus would be to make sure that they keep all these leaders together, because yesterday we had seen that all the heavyweights of the Aam Aadmi Party have lost except Atishi, and Atishi's video went viral where she was seen celebrating and dancing her victory. Now the BJP and other political parties have pointed out that on one hand all the Aam Aadmi Party heavyweights have lost, and on one hand Atishi is celebrating her victory, and which was pinpointed by Aam Aadmi Party Member of Parliament Swati Maliwal. So clearly Aam Aadmi Party has a lot to discuss, and that is the reason why since yesterday several rounds of meeting have taken place, but absolutely none of the leaders have spoken a single word after the result came out.
A lot of introspection needed for the Aam Aadmi Party on what went wrong, isn't it? Sabyasachi, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details. Thanking Pradeep as well for those inputs. Quick break now. We'll be right back.